Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to edit a muted word on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on your PC using the latest update. Whether you've muted a word long ago and want to update it or simply need to adjust the duration or context, this walkthrough has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several icons there. Click on the one that says More. From the menu that appears, head down to Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account controls and preferences live. Inside that section, choose Privacy and Safety. This option helps you manage what you see, how your content is personalized, and importantly, what you've muted. Next, look for the category Mute and Block. Click it to open a list of privacy options related to muting accounts, words, and notifications. Inside it, select Muted Words. Here, you'll find every word, phrase, or hashtag that you've muted so far. Now, scroll through that list until you find the specific word you want to edit. Click on it to open its settings. You'll see the details of how that word is currently muted, like whether it's muted from your home timeline, notifications, or both, and whether it's muted forever or for a set time frame. Make any changes you'd like. You can adjust the duration, choose where to apply the mute, or update the wording itself. Once you've made your edits, go ahead and click Save. That's it, your muted word has been successfully updated. By keeping your muted words up to date, you can make sure your timeline stays clean and tailored just the way you want. So, take a moment to review your list occasionally. It's a simple step that can really improve your experience on X. Thanks for watching.